Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you how to convert a Word document into PDF. So assuming this is your document and you want to convert it, all you have to do, you will go to File and then you click Save As, and here you will have to select the type of format you want to use, and of course you want to choose PDF, so you come and click there and then you choose PDF. And if you want to change the file name, you can go ahead and change the file name, and from there you can choose the location where you want to save your work, and you click Save. By doing this, it means that the document has already been converted into PDF. So next time I will show you how to convert a PDF document to Word.